In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click, what each section is for, and how to start building out your own course with confidence. First, log into your Go High Level account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Memberships in the left-hand sidebar. This is the area where all of your online learning content and member-facing materials are managed. Go ahead and click on Memberships to open up the membership and course tools. Inside the membership section, you'll see several tabs or options. Find and click on Courses. This is where Go High Level organizes all of the educational content you create, whether it's a single mini course or a full multi-module program. After clicking Courses, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can manage existing courses or set up something new. Next, within the Courses area, look for the Products option. In Go High Level, a product is essentially the container for your course content. Clicking on Products will let you view all of your current course products and is the place where you'll create new ones. Go ahead and click on Products to move forward. Once you're on the Products page, you'll see a button or link that says Create Product. Click on Create Product to start setting up a brand new course. This tells the system you want to build a fresh course from scratch instead of editing an existing one. You'll usually be asked to provide basic details like the course name, a short description, and sometimes a thumbnail image. Take a moment here to choose a clear, descriptive title that your students will easily recognize. After that, you'll see an option to Start Building. Click on Start Building to move into the actual course builder. This is where you'll structure your course by adding modules, lessons, videos, text, downloads, or quizzes depending on your plan and content. From this point forward, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Go High Level will guide you step by step through naming your sections, uploading content, setting access or pricing options, and deciding how students will progress through the